Welcome back for day 15 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we're introducing a new technique called the slide. It's an essential part of the old-time banjo vocabulary, but it's used on practically every stringed instrument. To play a slide, play a fretted note, like the second fret on the third string. And while that note is still ringing, keep pressure on the string and slide your finger to another fret, like the fourth fret. In order for this to work, you have to apply enough pressure throughout the movement that the string never loses contact with the frets, but not so much that your finger gets stuck on the fret as you move over it, especially if you're sliding across multiple frets. You also want to use enough force in the right hand that the note won't die out before you reach the target fret. You can practice this slowly, but you might find that practicing it too slowly makes it difficult to actually hear the effect. If you want to try this on other strings, try sliding from the second fret on the first string to the fifth fret on the first string. First fret on the second string to the third fret. On the fourth string, the second fret to the fifth fret. Let's try incorporating this into a bum ditty. The first part, which we'll call the bum, will be the slide from the second fret on the first string to the fifth fret. Then, for the ditty, you'll keep your finger on the fifth fret and do the strum and the fifth string. See if you can get this sound and then loop it. You can try this same thing with all the other slides that I mentioned. can slide on any string, any distance, but these examples I've given you are just ones that will sound good in the context of this tuning. Returning to the third string, focus on this slide and bum ditty, because in the next lesson, we'll apply it to our arrangement of Sourwood Mountain. For that reason, it's also a good idea to make sure you're still comfortable with Sourwood Mountain before moving on. Today's featured banjo player is Lukas Pool. Lukas is another player and banjo builder who you may know under the name of Ozark Banjo Company. You can hear his great playing and his great banjos on his YouTube channel, and you can learn from him as well on his website. I'll leave some links in the description so you can check out more of his great music. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you next time.